Yeah, fair enough.
This is Jonathan.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hey ladies, how long are you staying in New York for? What are you guys doing over here? Is the water over there light blue like your eyes? Oh my God. We're on the same time. It's all right. Have a good day, all right?
Okay, Jonathan, so how was today?
Eye-opening.
What's up? Just made it to LA, gonna be here for a few weeks. If you're around, if you want to be on video, or if you just want to hang out, just shoot me an email. Also, the hats are still available at socialanimal.us, so go check them out. And that's it, let's go back to the video.
My name is Jonathan, guys. I'm 21 years old and I'm a server/bartender here in New York City. I always feel like I live in my head and I kind of make these own scenarios in my head. Like, I feel like I'm too smart for myself. I feel like I already know how the situation's gonna go. I've been here, done that. I feel like that comes with experience over time, and it kind of puts a filter on our brain on how we view stuff, like how we think an interaction's gonna go. And I kind of want to just take that filter off and just live in the moment.
Any last word before we start?
Yo, wish me the best, guys.
Oh yeah, the 0.5.
Hey ladies, I don't mean to interrupt. I just honestly thought you were really pretty. I wanted to say what's up.
Oh, thanks. Thank you
Yeah,
so
no
much.
worries. Are you guys from New York? Because I saw you taking the picture. And...
No, tourists.
Tourists?
Thank you, though.
No worries. Where are you guys from?
Buffalo.
Buffalo?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing over here? Just upstate? I mean, upstate's like fake New York. I don't mean to like, I don't mean to cut you guys' ass, feel me? But
Did you grow up around here?
yeah, I was born in Queens.
Okay, gotcha.
I'm a Queens baby, but yeah, I'm just hanging out at the park. I honestly thought you were like gorgeous. I had to say it. Yeah.
She also has a boyfriend.
Oh, she has a boyfriend?
Yeah.
No worries. Take it as a compliment. He's a very lucky guy.
Exactly.
But ladies,
Have a great rest
have a
of
great
your
day.
day.
You too. Oh, I feel energized, to say the least. I feel like it kind of sparked a little light in me. It was interesting. As soon as I went up there, I feel like all their smiles kind of just like gravitated towards me, and it was just very, I feel like my thought maybe would have been a little different if they were more straight-faced, but they were very, very nice. Like you never know how people are gonna react. It was really nice. So.
I just have one feedback. I feel like when the friend told you that her friend had a boyfriend, you became very serious. Take it as a challenge to, like, whatever the situation is, find a way to like just joke. Find a way to make the situation ridiculous. You know?
Hey, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Where are you from? I'm sorry, your accent threw me off.
France.
France? Oh, nice. I actually have a friend from France visiting me today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so we're kind of just hanging out. He went to go get some coffee, so
Okay.
I like the orange beanie, so I wanted to say what's
I'm
up.
gonna join some friends for the game.
Okay.
game.
What game today?
Against Australia,
Okay.
the World Cup.
So who are you voting for?
What?
Like, who are you rooting for? Like,
Oh.
who do you want to win?
France.
France.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's France playing today. I don't keep up. I don't keep up with football too much. But okay.
Yeah.
Do you play sports yourself?
No.
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 So you just like watching them?
Yep.
Okay. You bet money at all on it, or?
No. Just,
Okay.
watching.
So what made you visit New York?
I used to live here, so I'm just checking on some friends, but they are working, so I'm joining other friends.
Okay. Nice. So you just enjoying yourself at the park? Okay. Well, yeah. No, I just wanted to say you're very beautiful. How long are you staying in New York for?
Until Monday.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So a little short notice, but so you're just here for the games and kind of just.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Well, I'm gonna go catch up with my friend, but it was really nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Have a great day, all right? It was a little weird. I stumbled a little bit and then I kind of just my brain was all over the place. When I got that stupid mistake where I was like, I didn't realize who was playing, and she was just like, oh, I'm obviously rooting for, yeah, you know what I mean? I was like, oh, okay, well, fuck. Hey, I just wanted to say I love your boots.
You walked all the way here to tell me that.
Yeah, I did. Honestly, it kind of like threw me off because you're like all black and you're just like, you know what? Let me go out with the leopard boots today, right?
No, I just got them for no reason. So that's why I put them on.
Well, it gives you a badass look. You got it. You got the hat going too.
Oh, thank you.
What's up? What are you up to today?
I have a call call in 5 minutes.
Oh, like a meeting type thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna find out about this master's program that I'm interested in.
Oh, that's awesome. What are you
Yeah.
planning on like getting into? Which
I
kind
won't
of
do anything if I won't enjoy the process.
right.
So it's like, it'd be great to be a doctor, but I will hate taking all the math and chemistry classes. So that's not going to happen. So, but this, it's just all, it's just all books on consciousness
Wow.
and dream work and psychology.
Yeah, I would have thought you were into fashion, to be completely honest. No, seriously.
Most of this clothes, actually, none of this is mine.
Okay. So you're a fancy stealer. You're a thief. Listen, I would love to like hang out with you again sometime if you have like Instagram or a phone number.
It's so nice and refreshing, isn't it? I don't know. I don't know who you. No, I don't know if I'm gonna give you.
Yeah, fair enough. Honestly, yeah. No, you look like you were so confused. I'm like, wait, is he gonna kill me? No,
I
it's
don't
fine.
get worried about that. It's more that
It's how you feel. You don't even have to explain yourself.
Yeah.
No worries. I enjoyed interaction with you
I
anyway.
appreciate like moments. Yeah. What are you up to?
Honestly, my friend from France is visiting, so I'm kind of just waiting on him, and we're gonna get some coffee and hang out.
I have these jeans.
What kind of jeans are there?
No, I don't know. I got them used, but I have these these jeans.
They are pretty
tighter
cool.
on me.
Listen, fashionista. We're on the same timing. It's all right. No worries. It's one of those like in between things.
Nothing. I don't believe in in between.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Because in between is putting more emphasis on what was in the past and what's in the future, when all we actually have is right now. So it's like when you say in between, then you're taking value away from the present.
That's true.
Yeah, and so we're always in between. We're always transitioning. We're always shifting. We're always changing. Every moment to moment.
I appreciate that. Yeah, no, I feel like I also needed to hear that myself. So, what was your name? Sorry, Jonathan. It's an absolute pleasure.
What are you working on?
To be honest, I'm waiting for. So the place I'm working at is under renovation right now. It's gonna be like 300 seats for a restaurant. I'm a bartender / server, so.
Okay.
Nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. I feel like that's just life.
Because you're not working right now.
Yeah, no, so it's kind of like we're all in training, but it's really just, we're going to be the foundation of opening the place. So it's like, we got to set that standard, and it's, kind of a little bit to live up to, but I know, competence is confidence if you're good at what you do.
Love that. Confidence is confidence.
Yeah. Can you remind me your name one more time? Sorry.
What was your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. We could connect on Instagram.
Yeah, let's do it. You inspired me, yeah. I love the leopard.
Yeah, but like it's really great that you did that, and that
Yeah, let's connect on Instagram for sure. Here, you can just put yours in. And listen, it was an absolute pleasure chatting with you. I'm gonna go get my friend. I think he just got off the subway, but it was
so much fun. You show him all around.
Yeah, I definitely will. Thank you so much again, and have a blessed day. All right. Go on your meeting. That was cool. She was really relaxing to talk to. She was very mellow, and I feel like we kind of just bounced back that energy. And she was very in the present, and that made me be more in the present, And I really appreciated that. It was interesting because I asked for her Instagram or number, and then she just ended up giving it to me later down the line. Hey, sorry to bother you. I just wanted to say you're gorgeous.
Oh, thank you so much.
No worries.
I appreciate that.
I love your eyes. Where are you from?
Thank you. I'm from Australia.
From Australia?
Yes, I am.
Is the water over there light blue like your eyes? I know it's something like that, right?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. What makes you come to New York in the cold weather?
I'm just visiting.
What are you up to for Thanksgiving?
Not sure, to be honest.
No turkey for you?
I don't know.
I don't know. Honestly, I'm just kind of just chilling today, walking around. I honestly thought you were really, really pretty. I have to say,
Thank you.
What are your plans for today?
I'm just gonna walk around and
Experiencing life.
That's it.
Do a lot of people come up to you and appreciate your beauty as well? Or?
No.
Not really?
No.
I'm a first. Well, I'm glad to be here.
Cool.
Alright. Listen, I just wanted to say you have a great day, and I just wanted to kind of just share that with you.
Thank you. I appreciate
no
that.
worries.
It's really, really nice.
Have a blessed day, alright?
Alright, you too. See you.
Bye-bye.
Why don't you ask her out?
Dude, I was fucking nervous.
Just go back.
Miss Australia. Miss Australia. I'm so sorry to come sneak up on you again. I'm gonna be completely honest. I feel like I wasn't forward as how I want to be with you. I do think I want to hang out with you sometime if you're up for it.
Unfortunately, I have a boyfriend.
Oh no, it's alright. I have a couple girlfriends too. No, I'm totally joking. I'm totally joking. But listen, have a blessed day, and I just take it as a compliment, alright?
Thank you.
No worries. I think I knew that was the outcome because I wasn't as genuine in the beginning, and I think it kind of like lingered on because when I went back up to her, I could kind of see that she was uncertain because I was uncertain in the beginning.
Yeah, for sure. But at least, even if at the beginning you're uncertain, even though you're not, you reach for it.
Right.
And you have to practice reaching for it. Because the more you reach for it, the less anxious you're gonna be. You know?
No, yeah, she was also very pretty, so I was just like. I don't mean to interrupt. Are you on a busy phone call?
I am.
Okay, no worries. You know, yeah. I just want to say you're very pretty. Have a good day, alright? Yeah. You know, I think I should have took more initiative, or like.
Yeah, you hesitated way too much.
Yeah, I should have been more assertive.
You have to break that moment with innocence. But as soon as like you come in and you wait, you lost all of that innocence. You're too much in your head.
Yeah.
And also like gave her the stick to hit you by saying like, oh, is it important? But like you said it in such a almost apologetic way that she was just like, yeah, it is, and then boom, you know. She's having a FaceTime call around a fountain where people are skateboarding. She's probably not having a job interview right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough.
Okay.
Hey, ladies. I don't mean to interrupt, but I'm getting like a lot of like bubbly, chill energy from you guys. I just want to see what you guys were up to.
We're just chilling.
Just chilling, having a cool day at the park. Nice.
Haven't seen her in too many months. Yeah.
Too many months? Oh wait, are you visiting or something?
Yeah, we both are.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Where are you guys from?
From Vermont.
Vermont?
Montana.
You didn't say that, like you sounded very excited about that.
I love Vermont. No,
Okay.
Vermont's amazing. I'd recommend it.
Is New York treating you nice?
Yes, I love New York.
That's good. And you said, sorry, where are you from?
Montana.
Montana, nice. How's New York treating you as well?
It's treating me quite well.
To be honest, if I were to walk by you guys, I feel like you guys look like New
Not
Yorkers.
from-
No, I feel like you guys kind of look like you give
No,
a New
I
York
am
vibe.
from New York.
Oh, okay, nice. So you kind of like you grew up
I
here?
know,
She grew up
yeah.
here, yeah.
Nice. So what made you kind of like leave New York?
The exact opposite of New York.
So you're more of like a kind of down to earth person, I'd say, or like not down to earth. Sorry, that's a bad way to put it.
I mean, sure, you can call me that.
Kind of like but more to
I'm
like.
down to earth with a fierce personality.
I like that. I like that.
Are you
concept.
from New York?
Yeah, I grew up in Queens. I don't know if you're
Okay,
familiar.
cool.
So yeah, it's kind of like suburb vibes.
Yeah, totally.
But
We're in Queens.
you have memories in here, like growing up and stuff.
Yeah.
I remember getting kicked out by my grandma because I was so fucking high.
Oh my.
She walked
Yo.
in on me like skipping school and she was like, shouldn't you be somewhere? I'm like, I should be exactly
Yeah, grandma.
where I am
This is-
right now.
Literally, grandma, come back in a bit. All right, I got
Yeah,
this.
exactly.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Yeah, but I honestly, I just wanted to say you guys like seem really bubbly, chill. So I wanted to say what's
Thank
up.
you.
Honestly, and yo, have a blessed day, guys. My name's Jonathan. It's a pleasure.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Awesome. You guys have a blessed day, all right?
Yeah, you
Take care. That was cool. I honestly could see myself being like cool friends with them. I wish I could have kind of maybe pushed that narrative more.
Why not? Why don't you do it?
Yeah, no, I think I definitely held that back thinking about it now, but I was kind of like so in the kind of just enjoying it. It was a pleasant interaction.
Yeah, I regret. I mean, I feel like next time, I feel like you should have sat with them. Like, ask yourself, like, what would I do if I was already very friendly with those people?
Yeah, the thing that surprised me the most today was people's reactions. I think how warm people were when they finally, I kind of just like stood there and actually held my ground and expressed myself the way I wanted to. And I think that kind of just let people be themselves with me. And being in that moment where we're both ourselves, it feels great. You know, every interaction I came back with a smile, and I think that kind of speaks for itself, you know. If you express yourself, your soul, who you are will just be more happier. And I honestly, I can't wait to even do this more off camera.
Do you have to tell anything to people who are watching this video?
You are in control of what happens in the situation, nobody else. And don't live in your head too much. Just be. That's the best way to put it.
Any last word?
It was a pleasure, Ruben.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.